Hello from Carnival Paradise. It's been about 10 years since I last did a tour of this ship. We'll take a look and see what looks the same and see what's changed. We're starting here on the Empress deck, deck 7. Let's go take a look. Alright, so we are starting in the forward stairwell elevator bank. And as we move further, we'll come into the Paradise atrium. Got the glass elevators in front of us. Here is a look at the atrium, and all the way up to deck 12. And Carnival is celebrating their 50th birthday this year, so we do have the 50th birthday banner. Happy birthday, Carnival. So over here we just have some sitting space. Of course, the atrium bar, a very popular destination. Across from the atrium bar, you got guest services. We'll head back there in a second. Continuing around, we got the shore excursions desk. It's Christmas time, so of course we've got a big Christmas tree. And the other side of the stairwell. Both directions, the corridors will take you to cabins, and you have some seating space in between. Past another sail and sign kiosk. And just as a reminder, you can always check your balance on the Hub app as well. And those kiosks are there if you do need them. Continuing back from the atrium, we come into the art gallery. And then this brings us into the midship stairwell elevator bank. This about wraps up the public venues on deck 7. Everything else is cabins. So we'll catch back up with you in the atrium on deck 8. Alright, so we're here on deck 8. Got the stairwell in front of me. We'll head to the left and kind of work our way around. So over here we got one entrance into the shops. We'll look at those in a bit. And we got the library over here. Continuing around past the library, we come to the Elation restaurant. This is where anytime dining happens. As we head into the Elation restaurant, here is a model of the Carnival Elation. behind the elation is the galley. Then we have the second restaurant. We'll look at that a little bit later. Do a little magical cut through a few walls and get a little further back. But first, we'll continue around the atrium. We come to the American bar, which is the piano bar. There's not much happening in here right now, but at night this place really comes alive. Continuing around the atrium, and we come to Circle C. And there's also a restroom right next door. Men's room if you do need that. Always important to know where those are. And of course that is the closest one to the Elation restaurant. Passing through the forward stairwell, we come into the fun shops. To the right, we have the duty-free shop, so you have your jewelry, watches, things of that nature. And then on the left side, we have the logo store. As we come out of the fun shops, we'll head into the theater. So the Normandy Lounge is on decks 8 and 9. There are entrances on both levels. And now, through the magic of film editing, I will catch back up with you outside of the Destiny restaurant. So this is the Destiny restaurant. This is the dining room for fixed dining if you have the early or late seating. To get into the Destiny restaurant, you would actually need to come down from deck 9. So you can use either the aft stairwell, or there is also a stairwell that's right outside of the Rotterdam bar. We will see that in the deck 9 video coming up. Alright, so this has been a look at decks 7 and 8, or the Empress and Atlantic decks on the Carnival Paradise. Of course, as always, if you like the content, be sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe below. And don't forget to ring the bell to stay up to date with all of my latest adventures. And until next time, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.